What's going on, everybody? Welcome back to the channel. Thanks for tuning in. Ryan Lopez here, and today we're going to be doing a very special unboxing and first impressions of Burberry London for Men. And this is going to be an official unboxing, still in the box here. Just came in. I figured I would just do a super official first impressions. And this video, thanks to Theo Percival, left a comment on my last video, and he recommended that I check this out since I was doing some fall fragrances. And I did a little bit of searching about it, some investigation, and fairly decent price. A full bottle of this was only $30. It's been out for a while. It seems like all right, battery pack just died, but it seems like a fairly popular fragrance. A lot of really good reviews. A lot of people love it. So I figured for that price, and it just seems really popular. And a lot of people describe it as a Christmas tree, very Christmassy fragrance. So let's check it out. Let's get into the unboxing here. This is official. Just came in within the past, I don't know, 2 hours. So I didn't even open the box or anything. I figured I would just do it on camera so that we can all see it together here. And I got this from eBay from a like a certified, or like a really high, they have like a high rating person, and like all guarantees, official, whatever and stuff. And I searched around, and it seemed like you can get this for 30 bucks pretty much everywhere. It seemed like a very good, a high rated buyer. So I really feel pretty confident that this is authentic. And if not, it's backed by full money refund, everything like that. So here it is, Burberry London, still in the package. Let's do, just gonna go ahead and open up here very carefully. So, take off the plastic. Take it off there. Okay, and I don't know any of the notes on this other than it just is like a very, seems like it's a very cinnamony, spicy fragrance, maybe some leather in there, I'm not sure, I'd have to double check on the notes, but overall presentation of the box, very high quality. Looks like really nice box there. Has like the Burberry kind of fabric design. Nothing out of the ordinary. It feels like pretty good texture. Now let's go ahead and open it up. And this is official. This is official first impressions and unboxing. Like I said, just came in the mail. And I've never seen this one before. I've never smelled it, anything like that. So this is gonna be my real authentic impression. All right. Battery pack died again. I have a lot of just loose batteries around that aren't charged, so whatever. Anyways, okay, we got it out here, and it's wrapped in this like nice little fabric kind of design, or fabric, whatever it is. The classic Burberry. There's all the stuff on the bottom. So the overall presentation of the bottle, it looks pretty cool. It looks pretty elegant, pretty decent quality. Let's go ahead and, okay, I'm just gonna undo the cap here. Take off the cap. And let's just get straight into it. So I'm gonna go ahead and do a spray on my hand. One on right here. It's pretty good. So the opening to me, it's nice. I like it a lot. Oh, it's great, actually. It's very spicy. It's almost something, it's kind of like a variant of Spice Bomb almost, or but it's kind of on its own too. I can see how a lot of people say that this is great for the holidays. It's great for extreme winter time. Man, this is really, I like it a lot. I like it a lot. And you cannot beat the price of this. $30, $30 for 100 milliliters. 100 milliliters for $30. It's got great juice. People love it. Very popular, and I can see why. It's been out since, I believe, 2006. So it's been out for a while. It's almost a classic. It's just $30. You cannot beat that price. It smells great. I'm gonna do one more just to do it here before I head to the gym. Like I said, I've been using Abercrombie Fierce Intense for the gym, and I love it. But wow, this is really good. Okay, really quick, just to pull up the notes here and double check. The top notes are lavender, bergamot, and cinnamon. Okay, I knew I smelled some cinnamon in there. Middle notes are mimosa, leather, mimosa and leather, and the base notes are apopanax, not sure if I pronounced that right, tobacco leaf, guaiac wood, and oak moss. What a great combination. What a great combination. Definitely recommend this for we're approaching these fall seasons and these winter, these cold months that are coming up. It's a must-have for any fragrance collection. You cannot beat the price and the quality. $30, I just had to buy it. Let me know what fragrances you guys are wearing for the fall. What are some that you're really excited about? Some you wanted to try out? Drop a comment below. Let me know what you're wearing for the holiday season, for the fall season coming up. And if you've tried Burberry London yourself, drop a comment and tell me what are your thoughts on it. So that concludes everything for today. That concludes our first impressions and unboxing of Burberry London for Men. And yeah, hope you guys all have a great day. I'm gonna go hit the gym, and like, comment, subscribe, and see you guys soon. See you next time. Have a great day. Bye-bye.